these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. Okay guys, so I know that I have been gone for a while and I'm so sorry about that, but I'm back and I'm hoping to stay in y'all's presence, y'all. I've just been going through some things, but I am back, okay? I am back. So guys, let's get into this DIY. Okay, so we're going to make some candle holders, and these candle holders are going to be very simple, easy, and quick. So guys, we're going to use our beautiful crystal diamond wrap that I got from Amazon. We're going to use these beautiful lotus flowers that I got from Burlington. Look at that shimmer. Okay, then we're going to use 4 of these blocks that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use these mirrored tiles that dieflark.com sent me. And we are going to use these 2 mirrors that I got from Amazon a while back. So, you know, they're dirty, but we're going to clean those up, y'all. You know how I do. So, guys, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take these 2 blocks that we got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to glue them together. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using these LED candles that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use some of our crystal diamond wrap to wrap around the candle just to give it a little bit of glam. Guys, so this is the end result of the candle holders, and they do look like some candle holders that I actually saw at Home Goods, guys. So I hope you all like what you see, and if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.